Okay, we are taking our butter flake crescent sheet and we are just unraveling it and placing it into the bottom of our lightly greased 9x13 here. And make sure to press those seams together. Okay, that looks great. Now let's just move this aside because we have here a pound of cooked sausage. I have turkey sausage, but you don't need to use that. And then I have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese that we're putting right in there. Now we're gonna break it up. Really helps if your cream cheese is softened for this step, because see how easy that breaks up. You can also go ahead and use whipped cream cheese, but that's more expensive. But it is more convenient. But I just thought I'd let this sit out on the counter today and get nice and soft because I had a bunch of stuff to do. We are almost there. We're almost done here. Just make sure everything is nicely combined, meaning your sausage and your cream cheese. You want it to be nice and white like this. Okay. Perfect. Okay, now let's move this guy back into the picture here because we are just gonna go ahead and quickly dollop this mixture on top of our crescent roll dough here. There we go. So easy and so yummy. Now you're just gonna wanna flatten it out. Spread it out all over the top here for this awesome breakfast. I'm telling you, anybody can make this. Okay, that looks great. All right, now we have a regular size can of drained Rotel. Love this stuff. And we're just gonna spread that out real quick on top of our cream cheese and sausage. There we go. Oh, you can also use some diced tomatoes. If you don't have Rotel, I just find that Rotel makes this so much better and it makes the flavor just pop so much more. And then we have some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using a cup here. I'm just going to spread it evenly all over the top of our Rotel and our cream cheese and sausage. Look at those lovely colors. Oh, that's another thing that I love about this dish. It is so colorful, so filling too. Oh gosh, it's gonna be so good. Oh. All right. Try to get that cheese all over edge to edge, as we do with everything. That's very important. Ooh, it's gonna be so cheesy in the center. Oh, I love food. Perfect. And then optional, but we have some red diced onion that I'm just going to sprinkle over the top. We don't need that many onions, and you can use whatever onions you like. I'm just going with the red today, or purple. What do you call it? Let me know. Then a diced red bell pepper. Again, this is optional. I just love the color and the nutrients that it adds to the dish. You can use red, orange, yellow, green. Well, I'm already using red. I meant to say green. Did you know that green is actually just a red bell pepper that is not fully ripened? True story. All right, now every breakfast needs eggs, right? So we have 6 eggs right here. And then we have half a cup of milk that we're gonna add right into our eggs. And we have some salt and pepper that we're just going to give a nice shimmy in there, season those eggs up real nicely. And we have some onion powder. You want about half a teaspoon, so you want a good amount. Same thing with our garlic powder. I don't know why it's on that side. Half a teaspoon, good amount. There we go. Then you're gonna take a whisk. You're just gonna quickly or slowly, do whatever you want. But in my kitchen, I like to go fast. Just because I don't like to mess around. Okay, so just whisk that up real quick. Gets nice and fluffy. Make sure you break up those egg yolks. You'll get that nice yellow color. That's how you know you're done. All right. There we go. Woo! Okay, I don't think we've got any more. There, that looks good. All right. Now you're gonna take this, and you're just gonna pour it all over the top of everything here. Super easy, delicious breakfast. Ooh, yeah. It's okay if a little bit seeps out of the sides of the pizza or the crescent roll dough, but all right, that looks nice and flat. Ooh, and we are all finished, you guys. This is going in the oven at 350 for 40 to 50 minutes. Our delicious breakfast is ready and it looks so good. Let's just cut right into this. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, yeah. Make sure we cut into that crust. There we go. Oh, look at that. Oh. Wow. So good. So good. Oh, that's sausage and cream cheese in there. I accidentally doubled the amount of cream cheese, but I think that's gonna make it even better than usual. Oh, that is so good.